everyone, welcome back to my nail place. Today I'm so excited to be back for a new mani. I'm starting out again with Triple D's Blush Opulent Builder Gel in a bottle on my nails and a good layer of UNT peel base. UNT, I'm not sure. Anyways, so for this mani we're doing 3 different colors from 3 different brands. So the yellow, which has this really pretty slight shimmer to it, is Starburst from Double Dip. The next one is Cold Brew from Triple D, and that lighter brown also has a really pretty shimmer to it. And it doesn't pick it up on the video in the pots, but when you actually see it on your nails, and especially in the sun, it's so pretty. So I hope it shows in the video. I haven't quite noticed yet, but the third color is, and the darkest color is Defy from Revel. And I am just so excited about these colors and this fall mani. As you probably saw in the opening picture, sunflowers just scream summer, like end of summer, coming into fall. And I just love them. So I am going to let you watch in real time as I do my first layer of dips, and my second layer I am gonna speed them up just like I did in my last video. And then after I have done all my dips, I'm gonna cap everything in clear, and I'm still using my Double Dip clear base. This is such a good deal. Double Dip's clear is 2 ounces. You can get it in other sizes, but the 2-ounce jar is $14.99. Like, it's so cheap. So, and I do cap pretty much everything that I do in clear. And then what I'm going to do is, once that's all capped, I am going to do a base layer of gel. And then I'm going to put on these super cute 3D stickers from Triple D also. And then I'll cap them again in the clear to kind of do a top coat. So I'm using Triple D liquids today. I'm using my Triple D dip base and Triple D activator. Oh, here you're seeing me pull, there's a little hair in the jar, so I had to take that out. And then you're also gonna see that I have some color on my skin, and it's embarrassing that it's on there, but I had a lot of fun. My son and I and our friends made a bunch of tie-dye t-shirts. So sorry that you see all that color on my hands, but it's there for a good reason. We had a lot of fun doing it. So I'm just going to kind of let you watch for a little bit, and I'll be back. Okay, so I just dusted everything off, and what you're going to see me do now is, when I start my second layer, even though it's sped up, is I'm actually just going to start with the lightest color first. And that's just because I just feel like it's safer. I'm not sure, and I don't know if that's like a thing or not, but I just figured when I was going over the different colors and using my base, and even though when I reach across, I'm wiping my brush off in between. I just don't want to go over the darkest brown and then go into my yellow and maybe end up with a streak in there. So I just was being extra cautious by starting with the lighter color first and then going on to the darker. So starting with Starburst and then Cold Brew and then Defy. So that's why you kind of see me starting in a different order instead of just starting from my pinky like I did in the first. And again, there's all my tie-dye colors. So, and then here is my double dip, that big 2-ounce jar. It's great. I've had it for a long time. I've used it to practice marble. I've dipped a whole bunch of manis in there, and I swear I can't even tell that anything's gone. So, like I said, it's such a good deal. $14.99 for 2 ounces. And it seems like a lot, and it's going to last for a long time. So I'm just going to let you watch some more. Like I said, it is sped up, and I did leave my filing and buffing in again, but super sped up. At some point, I will probably do a video on filing, but my filing is by no means perfect. So I'm not sure I'm quite ready for that. So here I'm just giving a really good scrub to make sure that all that extra powder, especially that extra clear, is off so that it doesn't get cloudy. And as long as I brush off that extra, it doesn't seem to go cloudy. My manis look really nice. So I'll just let you kind of watch through that. You're going to see me activate and then let that sit for a minute and then come in and do my gel. So I am actually using Triple D's Delicate Gel, and it's a base and a top coat 2-in-1. So nice. And I don't have a reaction to it. So that's nice because I don't have a severe reaction to gel, but I do have a little bit of a reaction. My cuticles will get red, a little bit puffy, and really itchy. So I know I said not a severe reaction, and it sounds like more than it is, but it's not too bad, and it is manageable. But just having the Delicate Gel, I wanted to try, and it was perfect. So, like I said, I'm just going to let you watch some more, and then we'll be back when I do the stickers. Okay, so I know I said I'd be back when I was doing the stickers, but I wanted to jump back in really quick and just let you guys know, even though you can see it, what I'm doing. So I'm just taking my stiff brush, brushed off all that dusting from filing and buffing, and then I'm just going to do a couple pumps of my alcohol here and on my stiff brush, and I'm just going to go over my nails and just really make sure that all that dust is off really good. I don't want any little chunks getting in my my gel, my base, and my top. Again, I'm using the Triple D Delicate Gel, 2-in-1, base and top. So I just really want to make sure that there's nothing in there that shouldn't be in there. So here we go with stickers. So I'm just going to pick a couple. Actually, I'm going to do my layer of gel and then cure for 30 seconds. And then you'll see me pick a couple stickers and get those on. And then we'll be back with some final thoughts. let's wrap this up. So now that I've got everything top coated, I'm just wiping off that tiny bit of a sticky layer with just some alcohol on my lint-free wipe. There's all the stickers sealed in. They're so cute. I just love them. We're going in with my Candi skincare cuticle oil. And this is poolside ice. Summertime, got all my summer scents. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of that on all my cuticles. Again, we roughed everything up, so let's smooth it all out. So I'm gonna get that on there, get that rubbed in, and I'm so excited that my second video is gonna be up, and I can't wait to get more posted for you guys. So let me know down in the comments what you want to see. Hit a like on here so that I know that you like what I'm posting. And I look so forward to sharing more videos with you guys and getting to know everybody and just spreading the Manny love. So I hope everybody has a fantastic day, evening, weekend, whatever it is, morning, wherever you are. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.